Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a great one-level home that offers low maintenance with metal siding and metal roof that was built in 2020. Nice open floor plan with a vaulted pine ceiling and pine shiplap walls in the family room and kitchen. The kitchen is open to the family room with an eat-in bar and plenty of cabinet space. The master bedroom is spacious with a master bathroom with a separate shower and soaking tub. The laundry room is right off the kitchen with room for storage if needed. There are 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom for your family or weekend lake guests. This is a great floor plan for a retiree or someone looking for a weekend lake retreat. Home has a fenced yard for your fur babies to enjoy the country living. Nice privacy fence and patio in the backyard for grilling and enjoying the lake life. You are minutes from the community boat ramp to go out and enjoy the lake. The town of Wedowee is close by for all your shopping needs. Nice new home for the money.